Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. Today we are going to start with project user case of EIB implementation. To doing this activity, we need to go to the software. Let me open my Access and show you people. Let's understand, guys, first what we are going to do today. Today we are going to start project use case on EIB implementation. For we developed it in EIB inbound and outbound, and we looked out of how its SLT transformation file will looks out of it. And today we are going to understanding all about related to the EIB implementation. What is mean by EIB implementation? What is mean by project user cases? We are going to got to know project user cases in the sense whenever we are going to implementing an EIB. The technical gateway. What is? You are understanding what exactly we are doing with the EIB. Whatever the data we are going to utilize in the organization, whether it may be in functional way or technical manner. EIB integration is going to take care about complete organization. Infrastructure data should be deployed into the cloud service. We are going to creating an we are going to creating an EIB module. Is nothing but to get our data. Our data has been secured at the same time. Whatever the data we have in our cloud, we have in our Workday cloud service, and we are going to deploy into the cloud server directly through taking and support of EIB module. This is what we are going to creating an inbound EIB and outbound EIB. And now we are going to use the project related user keywords. What is mean by project related user keywords to doing this activity? Any department in the organization we have, whether it may be any HR, team planning, team operations. Each and every team, they have their own specification and authentication. Those related data, and whenever we are going to deploy this, technical, we can do on our basis daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly and yearly also. Whenever we need, usually we can able to do those all related criteria for this kind of activity. We are going to do for the user project key set in the EIB implementation. Am I clear? Take it as an example. We have in different people, we have at the batch. Each and every person who was going to loop into the different department like HR, training and operation. Whatever the data we are going to having in the organization, each and every data will be available in the Workday service. Am I correct? Yes or no till here? Yes, sir. After this, what we need to do, we are going to set up an EIB to pull the individual department basis of data accuracy. While pulling out of this data, what we are going to do, we are going to deploy into the cloud service. After that, we are going to using and implementing of EIB project user keywords. What is mean by EIB project user keywords in the implementation? Take it as an example. Whatever the data we are going to collide from the individual department, we will convert it as an URL. The entire data will be converted to the URL like a kind of hyperlink in the Excel file. How we are going to create a hyperlink to the Excel? The same way we are. You know what we call the team called? You know every organization has a team, like you know who's going to publish the report. What's something they will call? We will call, I think, GMS team or MIS team, guys. Did you ever about MIS team? Is any organization having a separate MIS team who's going to share the individual department, data to all top level management people in your organizations? We have the MIS team. MIS team, what is the MIS team? Regular work in your organization. They normally provide the dashboards of the data for each and every, maybe I could say monthly, like the finance data, or the other departments like the operations, the CEO or the higher officials. Understand? I got your point. The MIS team will be mandatory to sit in your work next to Workday team or a separate wing wherever in the organization. They're going to give the complete back-end URLs individual project wise, department wise. If you need an individual employee wise is also, they're going to share those front end and back end URLs related to the individual department criteria. Just go to the service immediately. Just do an implementation of EIB implementation. To doing these activities, we need to go to the software. We need to enter into the search bar EIB. Once we enter in the search bar EIB, we will get an option called EIB Data Limitations. Have it happen to this option. And you will get the option to select your managers of individual department wise, whether it may be a manager or team leader or supervisor. If you want to pull the entire organization, report in a single pattern, you can select your supervisor. If you want to pull it out, the individual person, you can able to select your manager and you can able to select the individual person. If you want to take a department wise, you need to select the department wise of your managers or team leaders to get the data. If you want to pull it from the organization site, you need to go to your location hierarchy. Under this, you need to select of your company first. Universal India Global Limited. Under this, you need to have a select of your location. How many locations do you have it? Nevada. You have 2 branches. Select of your branches from here. Yes, good, it's no data to show you. Yes, I'm going to select here the branch of Delhi. In that, I'm going to select Anita Infotech Financial. Under this, I'm going to select my worker of Nilima Workday. She is my supervisory organization post. I pick up her, I need to tap to. You people will get the data from here. Since we don't have any data, it looks like a little empty, but I will fill it and show you how this data will look if you are in the live channel. Have an export of this file and download it on the same. Open up a data limitations. Allow me for 2 minutes. I'll just quickly implement it and show you people. Yes, thank you for being online, guys. Yes, I'll explain. You see, this is an MIS report is going to send. Once we pull out the data, we will get a file would be like this. Our MIS team is going to share you an raw data file. The raw data would be related to the HR or training and operations. Let it be anything. They're going to share the data related to their format level or their pooling level of MIS and Excel techniques. They're going to share. You people need to shuffle the data, and you people need to understand what are all taglines you need to be added in this file as an employee or first name, last name, gender, email, date, hire date and band details, start date and end date, data type, all these approvals. And along with that, you will get our front end and back end links from the MIS team. Copy, paste and have it enter in this sheet and save the sheet. Post after completing. Then you need to upload into your drive and send it to your cloud department from your drive to upload a copy of same. Post completing this, save this file, attach it to your drive, send it to your cloud department through drive. The task will be completed from here and come to the main menu. Go to the next option. Connectors in Workday and core connectors in bond integration on data of worker related activities we're going to do to doing this activity. We need to go to the software once again. Come to the main menu. Go to the search bar. Enter here integrations. You will get a system integration user. Security configuration. Have a tap onto that option. These services where we are going to use in the sense whenever we are going to uploading the data to direct cloud departments, we're going to create a certain security level. Well, sharing your data of integration will make all those security activities in the integration. Now we're going to do. Hope you people can understand once the task has been completed. I think it will take a while to get the report is be online everyone. Guys, it will take to 4 to 5 minutes please. Stay on the same screen. Yes, it's available in the document. First, you need to understand this. You know the structure of this, you know fields. Workday account, and you can see next to that I can't log disabled or expert, and you know expert. You can see the password expert related activities. Types of activities. Far because we did in this activity and security group related configuration coming to the Workday account in this Workday. First one has been created, integration user echo, and coming to the next one you can see the type. It's an some group creations and integration of system security rule base of security related to the finance. The rule base of security. These are points someone has been already created. Coming to the security groups, you can see the unique style that was given up here in this test data. One is rule-based security groups and security group related activity. And you can dig into the little below. You get the one more echo call. Jack Black. From here, if you find it out from here under the Jack Black, you can see there wasn't very good types. There has been created. One is rule-based security group. Other one is manager base of data, and the rule base of data employee job related and HR executives. Here under the integration, we will get the complete Workday account related activities. In these activities, we need to select. We need to select our fields on same. What is our field? And that depends on your manager. Each field you need to select that depends on your organization. What report I need to pull? That depends on your department. According to your team leader, that particular task, you need to pull out the reporting from the system. Under this, you need to pull it out of your data security related activities. Coming to here, I'm going to entering into the rule base of security activities. Have a tap onto the 3 action dots on here. In this, I'm going to tapping onto the integration ID. And in this, I'm going to tapping onto the maintenance reference sites. Have a click over there. On here, you need to select your organization fields. If you are in the K, P, M, G, I, B, M, essential, whatever it may be, you will get your organization fields on this. The complete from CEO to the last level of designation, you will get a complete fields. You should understand which department of field you would like to pull it out at the. Under this field of maintenance references site, I'm just scrolling down on below. I'm going to selecting here my cloud loader important data activities. I selected that. I have 2 options of fields. One is an including and default and empty. I'm going to select as a none of this apple, and I want a raw copy to pull it out. Select it has an 0 requested for the page 1. We're not sure how many pages we have it here. It was showing hasn't 0 by because there is no any data. That is the reason to. Usually we used to get the business object to instance of the each and every individual department. Whatever the URLs we are uploading in this EIB, we will get all these EIB URLs in the business object instance and references. Idea of type. Who is the person who has been uploaded for the last to the cloud? Those ideas and references values you will get it on iconically. what is the person days of document has been uploaded, whether it has been uploaded, like 20% is 30%, if 50% is 8%. You will get the complete details of the same accuracy or according. Have it up to and have export of this file and download it. Tap to the tab. Come to the main menu. Just come to the main menu. Go to the course content. Let's create a document. Transformation to the cloud, standard document transformation to doing this activity. We need to go to the software screen. Go to the software. Enter here. Create document. You will get an option called create and document, and you will get an option below that create a document builder. Category of security segments and documents or tasks distributed. We are going to select as a create and distribute documents or tasks related activity. Have it up over this task everyone and select your distributor. Related to the task is have a select on or there and mention your description. It's a take it as an example. Now I'm going to share IBM HR. Cloud uploading. Go to the organizations in this. You will get an organizations by type and go to the my favorites. You need to select your branch here, your current organization branch. I just pick up for IBM. For your understanding, I'm going to change GSM. Have enabled this out. Subordinators including and select of the roles. Come to the below you will find the fields of your organization from CEO. I know the last round of this nation in your organization. Select the main fields, which are the fields you have a requirement on here. I'm going to sell it. I want to copy. Accounting managers. And I'm going to take off counting paper analysis. Accounting people settlement and specialist. Company cost costing manager. Or fields. Admin, you doesn't get DJ, all external words. You will get your organization departments and the department fields on here. In that field, you can have a select of general manager, senior HR requesters. Go to the users. I'm going to select, my top level management or manager, Scott. I'm getting a data. It's purely related to the finance and background verification stream and doesn't getting related to the field of payroll or finance. Sorry, operations, training and HR related categories. I'm still looking out of that. Higher to do just for the reference. Most of the fields, it has been not related to this. You will get your purely your organization fields on here. Zero time out of balance sheets. There's all related to the payroll. That's when I hope you people understand the field's task. You need to select your organization department fields, whichever the department of data you would like to look over it and post that. Come to the below and have it up to the you will get your overall document related tasks of activity here. Orange alert not an issue, just leave it. And you can see the complete details and data that you feel whatever the active fields has been selected. You just have a scroll on of your boss and export these three dots and export the file from here. And you can generate your reports according to your EIB and integration norms. Related data was downloading all your fields of reports. You can share it to your authorized and required departments and have download your overall report on accordingly and come to the main menu accordingly. Have it up to the deck. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.